Alright guys, welcome to another weekly analysis video with the Elliott Wave theory. So I'm going to be splitting up the videos. Instead of one big video for all the currency pairs, I'll break it down by currency class, probably in about 3 videos a week, but much shorter. So, I know everybody's not interested in trading certain pairs, so I will break that down and let's start out with the US dollar. So US dollar, this is the DXY, is looking like a bat pattern in harmonics. An Elliott wave, it's a 335 called a flat, and it looks very, very promising. I doubt that this will have more upside in the immediate moment. So plan of action is 5 down. We're having 3 up. This is its correction. And then we're going to drop down. I think we could go all the way to this zone, which is pretty big. So this correction here was the result of a strong NFP jobs report for the US economy, which is great. Gave us a 3-wave move, and right now this looks corrective. I'm unsure of what this is in the moment, so it could have a correction and another push up, or it could just drop down. So to get answers to these type of questions, we have to look at corresponding pairs to get clues on what they are doing. So let's look at Euro USD. Immediately I can see that we broke down and this could be over. I already took profit from my NFP sell, sold here, took profit here. This looks like it's going to load up for bullish divergence, and this is corrective, not impulsive. Like the nature of the move isn't a straight line, so it looks like just a correction of this push down, meaning we will have another move down. This is a 61.8 retracement. It's very famous, regardless of what you use. And I'm looking for this area. If it drops down here, I have bullish divergence. I'm going to buy. I'm not going to worry too much about it because I know that regardless of what happens, if I buy around this area and it comes up for a correction and comes down, I can adjust my stop loss to break even. I'll have no loss on the trade, and then I could look for a better entry point. So that's my plan of attack for Euro USD, and I do believe on the left-hand chart here, we will come up to this area, just like I've indicated on the DXY. So moving on to USDCHF, it came into our zone and it dropped and it's having a correction. I put a channel here to indicate the move is over because it broke it very impulsively, and we're retesting the trend line now. So I believe we're going to have a large correction on USDCHF, which corresponds with our idea on the DXY. Moving forward, USDJPY, similar shape. We have a big move down, we have a correction, and now we might have another big move down. It just looks proper to me. So you choose what you want to trade. You don't really want to trade all of these because you're overexposing yourself to the same idea. So pick your favorite volatility, structure, favorite pair, and go for it. But they all are saying the same thing in the moment. USD CAD, I really thought this was going to explode up, but we had a leading diagonal and we dropped down. I put this out last week for an A, B, C correction, and this corresponds to the dollar taking a break from the bulls. So I'm expecting a move down here before a very nice buy. Pound dollar is really important for letting us know what's going to happen. This is a very choppy, bearish flag, corrective move here, indicating there's more downside, that the dollar would have another push. So if we're guessing on Euro USD and the DXY what's going to happen, pound just helped out a lot, saying we're going to have more downside. So I don't know how much more, but it's similar to the Euro USD. It's going to have a big move up. So I'm very happy with this chart. It's behaving very well. And if any of you traded this, it was around 300 pips last week. It's a really nice move. Coming to our last USD chart, we have AUD USD. This was my previous forecast when I thought the dollar would push up to a new high. But given the situation now that the dollar is going to be taking a break and we're expecting a large correction for the dollar, this changes this count. So this is what happens when counts change. This would turn into this. This would actually be wave 3 here. This would be wave 4. And this would be wave 5. So that changes things here. And I will delete our previous zone because I don't think we'll go down any further. So that leaves us with the question, what is this move here? Just like the dollar having a 335, it's a flat correction, or in harmonics, it's a bat pattern, I believe. So this is A, B, C, or W, X, Y. A, then you have a choppy move down, you have a B, and then we'll have a C, give or take how far this moves. So AUD USD, very big turning point, and if you want to catch a premium entry, get a line like this, very simply, draw it across the top so you can see that we're starting to breach the resistance line there. And a lot of people that don't trade Elliott Wave or harmonics see the breach of this resistance and a big move up. So everyone's going to jump on ship and start buying this. So big moves on the dollar. I wish you guys luck. Personally, if you guys are interested in what I'm doing, I will be trading Euro USD. I will put in a move for about 3% of my account here with stop loss here when it pops down. And then as it goes up, I will be trading the flags. You know, for example, things like corrections like this all the way up. I'll just draw a line. When it breaches the line, I'll put an alert. It'll ring me. I'll buy for a move like this. Catch, 40 pips, 20 pips here and there, just intraday trades. Maximize my trading setup alongside my long-term investment. So in a few weeks when we come up to these areas, I'll cash out on my long-term investment, make hopefully, 6 to 9% of my account, since I only risk 3%, alongside getting my intraday trades. And it's very profitable. So we have big swings, big turning points this week. Good luck, and pay attention to the Telegram group. I'll be posting updates there. Thanks for watching.